Hello everyone, let's start with the installation of Sparkflows on the Greenlake. So right now we are using the Helm chart for installing the entire platform. So we have stored the Helm chart in the folder file. So first let's install this chart using the Helm command. So this is the command that we are going to use to install the Helm chart. And once the chart is installed, we are just going to verify that the pods are running in this particular namespace that we have just specified. So this will take a couple of seconds to fetch the details about the pod. So you can see that the pod is running. So now we are going to fetch the service details through which we can get the port number and also the node details where the service is currently running. So here we can see that the port is 3031 and this is a node port service. So now let's go back to the browser where our service is running, and here you can see that it is running on 3031 and this is the node where the service is running. Hello everyone, welcome to the demo of Sparkflows on Greenlake. So as you can see, this is the dashboard for the Sparkflows. Here we can see that there are a bunch of projects that we have created, and each of these projects would be having multiple workflows, and each of the workflow could be executed, and we can look at the execution history. And finally we have the processors, which are nothing but the set of connectors to the different systems that we have. It may be a database, it may be a file system, it may be a different service altogether. Let's look at the administration section. This is the place where we have connection to the Livy configured. So I'll click on the global connection, and here we have a connection already set up. Let's look at the connection. So here we have configured the URL of the Livy, and we have also copied the jar which are required for running the Spark job. Now let's look at one of the projects that we have set up for the demo. So here you can see that there is one workflow that we have designed, and this workflow has been designed using the different nodes that we have. So here we are generating a data set, then we are dropping a couple of null rows, and then we are dropping the column, and finally we are printing the rows in the console. So let's save it. And let's execute it. On clicking of the execute button, there is going to be a Livy job submitted, and we can see the Livy job ID over here. Let's validate it from the backend. So as soon as we submit the job, there is going to be a pod that will be created, and you can see this pod which is responsible for executing our workflow. Let's go back to the screen, and as the job progresses, you can see the updates being displayed on the screen. So once the job has completed, you can see the result on the screen. So that was a quick demo of the Sparkflows on Greenlake.